Hey guys, it's Red, and today we're doing another video of Top Marks Hit the Button, and this time we're going to do up to 20, and we did 100 last time, but you know we're going to do that. So let's go back into it. And if you're new to the series, how you do Top Marks Hit the Button, you will be shown a number. Hit the button that makes the total up to, whatever, or like, we've done 10 and 100, but this time it's going to be 20. So, let's play this. 6 and, oh no, I'm not very good at this. 3, 1, 19, and then 15, 15, 5, 1, and then just gonna be quiet, just, 6 and, what's it? 6 and then 2 and 3. 15, 5, and 14, 6, and then 8, and 12. Okay, 17 out of 20. That's a good one. It's a good one. And I'm gonna pick the next one because I don't know which one we're gonna do. Okay, we're back, and this time we're going to be the same one, but this time it's how do you do this one? Let me see. So you add on with 20, and I'll show you the rules again. You will be shown some. Hit the button that has the correct total. So let's do this. 5 add 0 is 5. And then 4 9. 6 and 4. 10, so 10, and then 5 and 0 is 5. And then 13 and 1 is 14. And then add 16 or 16, and then 12 add 3. So 15, and then 2 add 10. What? I did not press that. 16 add 0 is 16. 5 add 0 is 5. And 6 add 11 is 17. And then 2 add 12 is 14. 3, 5. 14. Okay. 13 out of 15. That's good. That's good. And I'm gonna end the. Wait. No, let's do add with 10. Let's do add with 10. Let's do this. So it's the same one. You will be shown a sum. Hit the button that has the correct total of 10. And actually no. I'm gonna end it here. So bye bye guys. And see you next time. Peace